I am reporting the set of sentences, and these sentences have been discussed with you. I hope so that you have got those sentences very well. So these are the examples of the assertive sentence. So after discussing this, I'll give you some more examples of the assertive sentence. Then we will start interrogative sentences. Okay. Suppose that there is a sentence that they said we want to go to Aligarh. They said, comma, inverted comma, we want to go to Aligarh. This one is sentence before you, and you have to change it. So let's talk about the reporting history. This one is written in past tense. So obviously the verb of this one will be changed. But there is an absence of your object. There is an absence of your object. We will not change into told. You have to written over here only they said, and you have to put that conjunction because it's a assertive sentence. So they said that, and we is the first person. We is the first person. It will be changed according to subject. Okay, it will be changed according to subject. So they, that, they, and what is the tense of this one? That they wanted. They wanted to go to Aligarh. They wanted to go to Aligarh. Okay. I hope so that you have got this sentence. There will be no problem in changing of this types of the sentences. Now the next sentence is before you. Ram said to him, you are not doing any work. Ram said to him, comma, inverted comma, you are not doing any work. You are not doing any right? This one is sentence. How will you change it? It will be changed into told. So Ram told him that. Use the second person of the pronoun. It will be changed according to object of the reporting speech. So use the subjective case, and he is written over here as the objective case. So you have to change the objective case into subjective case. So what the word that will replace here? He. That he, and his RM is changing to was one. He was not doing any work. Ram told him that he was not doing any work. This one is sentence before you. I hope so that you have got all the clarification of the sentence, all the rules of this sentence. One more sentence for you. Okay. He said to them, you are very sad. He said to them, comma, inverted comma, you are very sad. You are very sad. So he told them that you will be changed according to this one. Okay, it will be changed according to this, and this one you is used here as a subject. You is used here as a subject in the sentence, and this one is the reporting speech, object of the reporting speech. But here it is written as the object of the sentence, and it is in the objective case. So if you put here as it is, so the case will not be same, because in this place it required a subject. So you have to change it into subject. Okay. So that they as it is written as it is plural form, so that they were very sad. Fine. That they were very sad. Okay, fine. One more example for you, that Ram said, "You should work hard." Ram said, "You should work hard." Fine. So Ram said that there is an absence of the object in the sentence, but you is changed according to the object. So how will you change it? Me is considered over here. Me is considered because Ram said to me. So me is here. It's not seen. So it will be changed according to this one. So what is the word will come? Ram told me. You can write over here, Ram told me. Ram told me that, and according to this one it will be changed, that I should work hard. I should work hard. This one is sentence. Okay. So I hope so that you have got all the sentences of the assertive one. These are the examples of the assertive sentences, and this one is the clarification of the assertive sentences. And the next sentence that I want to write before you, they said we have done our work. They said we have done our work. They said we have done our work. Okay. So they said that we is the first person and it will be changed according to the subject. Okay. So this one is used here as a subject, and this one is also subject. So the case will be same. There will be no needed of changing the case. So they. And this, what is the tense of this one? They had done. And will also be changed according to they. But the problem is that are is written in possessive case. So you have to change they. You have to change this one into possessive case. So what is the possessive case of they? There. Possessive case in the possessive case, those words are come which are used as a ownership, as a authority. So that they had done their work. Fine. So this is just a classification, just a explanation of your assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are completed, and you have to do exercises related to assertive sentence because language needs practice. Without practice, you cannot do anything, and all the rules must be clear. Then after we will start your interrogative sentences. So let's discuss the interrogative sentence, because interrogative sentence is classified into two: the simple interrogative and more interrogative. Okay, simple interrogative and more interrogative. Okay. Simple sentences, simple interrogative sentences are those types of the sentences which are started with your helping verb, Just like you daily do your work, do you daily attend your class, are you going to market, are you not paying attention towards your studies, are you not listening to me, is it a good for study? And more interrogative sentences are both. In both types of the sentence, we ask question to someone. We just inquire for something. But the way of asking this one is different, and the way of asking this one is different. In this type of the sentence, we use helping verb at the starting of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence, we put question mark. In the same way, this one is started with a question word, and at the end of the sentence, we put question mark. So, and in the more interrogative sentences, what are you doing right now? Why are you not looking at me? Why are you not paying attention towards your studies? Why are you not making clear all the things to me? And why are you not doing your work properly in these days? Why are you not listening to me attentively? So these types of the sentences are in the category of the simple and interrogative sentence. In the simple and interrogative sentence, the rules are something different. In the simple interrogative sentence, we use if and whether as a conjunction. We use if and as a conjunction. We use if and whether in the simple interrogative sentence. But in the more interrogative sentence, question word is used as a conjunction. Okay, all the rules will be same. The rule of verb change, the rule of pronoun change will be same in both the sentences, but the conjunction, the way of using the conjunction will be different. Okay, so in the simple interrogative we use if and whether as a conjunction. In the more interrogative sentence we use question word as a conjunction. So the explanation of the sentences, I'll discuss to you different types of the sentences related to simple interrogative and more interrogative in your next audio, in your next video lecture class. I hope so that you are enjoying this class, you are getting entertainment in this class, because the narration is very nice topic. We can chew it, we can learn it very well if we want to do. So I hope so that you have got all the things very well. You have to do one thing, you have to do the exercises of the assertive sentence, because that one is completed. And in your next video lecture class, we will do some exercises of the interrogative sentence. So till then, thank you and have a nice day to one and all.